Long queues, no social distancing. Witness in a BKC Jumbo COVID-19 vaccination center. We are showing you the visuals from the BKC Jumbo COVID-19 vaccination center where the people are here waiting since hours. We had a word with many of the people here and they have stated that they have to wait for many hours. As we can show you the picture, if my video journalist Kanti can show you the picture inside how the people with the age of above 45 people who have been waiting since many long, but they are waiting to get vaccinated, which is now a very important. But we can see here the people are not following the social distancing protocol. Of course, the tent has been built up here for the people, as we can see people are here coming to get vaccinated, and there were the vaccination which was the non-availability. As we can see, there were non-availability of the vaccines here in the BKC, which was happened third time in 2 days. But now we can see the people, the vaccination drive has been started in the BKC, but we can see the long queues. I would like to show the another side of the vaccination center where the people are standing in a queue for hours. We'll try to talk to some people who have vaccinated themselves, but we can see the people here standing in a queue waiting for their chance to come to get vaccinated, but they have to wait for hours and hours, then only they can get vaccinated. So we will try to talk to some people. Sir, आप कितने बजे आए थे यहाँ पर वैक्सीनेशन लेने के लिए और फिर क्या सिचुएशन है अंदर?
मैडम, मैं 9 बजे आया था और हम लोग को 12 बजे ख़त्म किया। 3 घंटा हो गया।
3 घंटा आपको यहाँ पर वेट करना पड़ा। और फिर क्या सिचुएशन है? सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग अंदर प्रोटोकॉल जो एक है उसको मैनेज नहीं किया जा रहा है क्या? अंदर सिचुएशन अथॉरिटीज़ क्या बोल रही है?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। इट्स दैट वे इट इज़ मैनेज्ड वेल. It is okay. If you want to grumble, you can grumble. You want to complain, you can complain. But I feel it is okay.
So what taking so much long time? As we can see, you waited for 3 days.
Because you know why? The crowds are multiplied. The crowds are multiplied. It's not like from the beginning the crowds are there. This crowd is multiplied in huge numbers.
Very true. Thank you for speaking.
I went to Shushruth Hospital.
Okay, I'll talk to one more people. Sir, you were like saying about.
I went to Shushruth Hospital in Chembur. It's not that they don't have the vaccines. They have the vaccines, but see their arrogance. They're saying if you have taken the first dose from us, only then we will entertain you. Then we went to the another hospital, Prince Surana. In spite of having a confirmed appointment, they did not entertain us. They said, no, the vaccines are over. Then why are we registering? Ultimately, I've come here. My parents have gone in through the senior citizen queue. I'm 45 and above, but still, I'm waiting for my second dose, but I'm going back home empty-handed.
So what are the authorities are saying?
There's nobody here today. Although I have been hearing, the BKC is one of the best places. There are a lot of volunteers. Can you see anybody? I can't see anyone. But see the arrogance of the places, in spite of having vaccines, the private places, I'm willing to pay. But they will only take me if I've taken the first dose from them, which is so incorrect. I've showed them Times of India's article that, there is no such rule. But they say our authorities,
Now you have waited here since how long?
In 1.5 hours, my parents have just got vaccinated. They have told me that, they are waiting for 15-20 minutes, which is mandatory. But I'm going back home. It's no use, standing here. There is no social distancing. And you can see at least 3,000 people in the queue over there.